When I make it stretch, double back to back end. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. That's me. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. There for my first cake, then we hit 100K. $500,000 on the way, then $1,000,000 on the way. Eating good, full plates, eating good, say grace. Eat her up, get thanks. She got cake birthday. I can't waste no way, I can't waste no play. My girl, whoa, whoa, something like the baddest chick. My girl, whoa, whoa, came up from the rags to rich. Hit the road running, I had to tell her I had to get it. She understood, but she spoiled, so when she get mad, she dip. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch, double back to back end. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. That's me. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch, double back to back end. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. with the rock. You physically couldn't hold me, I don't care if you pushing 40. You can never little bro me. Euro step like Ginobili, from young OG to the OG. From nosebleeds to floor seats. Circle stronger than Cuban links. My gold dance, your gold plated. You verse me, now that's a reach. We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? We ready, been ready. I waited, my turn, on God, held steady. I keep dropping back to back, I keep going if you let me. I've been sitting at the top, looking down at those who left me. Promise I'm not being petty, I'm the one they envy. Brody moving state to state, make $1 million out to send me. Plus I grinded from the start, I was stacking pennies. I might dip like Machiavelli, after the confetti. Who ready? We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up, way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up, way up. Now we gon' way up, now we going. On track, now we gon' way up, way up. Now we gon' way up, now we going. Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, this is 7 seas. I deal with life different, make that limit squeeze. Went off for my style and identity. Better bounce back and get the cheddar cheese. I guess that's why they envy me. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up, way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up, way up. Now we gon' way up, now we going. On track, now we gon' way up, way up. Now we gon' way up, now we going. I got his band like I'm Barry Bonds. Running through the money, but the money's long. I don't love it, but I need it, keep it coming on. Only friendly, me and friends, we don't get along. I put that on my name, that I put them on. I put myself on stage and say sing along. I might book a session, do 100 songs. I'ma let you hear them just to prove you wrong. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up, way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up, way up. Now we gon' way up, now we going. On track, now we gon' way up, way up. Now we gon' way up, now we going. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
Came for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, if they pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in.
I'm on my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun of 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know, 10 toes, never fold, bang roll, on the go, ice wall, ice wall, ice wall.
Came for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, if they pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. For my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench.
Good morning, everybody. How you guys doing today?
Facing these oceans, feel the water on my waistline. We trust the process and my only know it takes time. You can get it, got no worries, I'm gonna make mine. Going global, I'ma get it out the state lines. Paying taxes at a more than what you make now. Different bracket, eating off a different plate now. For my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend.
Give me a second here. Gotta fix this camera real quick, guys. Just give me a second.
In my palm, my girl, she know she the one. I put the ice on her hand, I put some ice on her arm. See me shining in the light, know you found me in the dark. Talking how you wanna leave, girl, you made this far. Taking trips overseas, no, I won't be long. We came up from the weeds, now it's top floor. All these big guests on the neck, make it spinning, I don't stress. When I make it stretch, double back to back, down broke, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin, down with me to the end. That my best friend, that my best friend, that my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. That's me. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. There for my first cake, then we hit 100K. $500,000 on the way, then $1 million on the way. Eating good full plates, eating good, say grace. Eat her up, get thanks. She got cake birthday. I can't waste no way, I can't waste no play. My girl, whoa, whoa, something like the baddest chick. My girl, whoa, whoa, came from the rags to rich. Hit the road running, I had to tell her.
Alright, so how's everyone doing today? It was good, Matt. How you doing? How you doing, Mouse? Oh. I'll be right back, guys. I forgot to get my phone.
Spend it on stress, spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. That my best friend, that my best friend, that my best friend. I've been on go since a kid.
Alright, let's take a look at gold here real quick. So right now, looking at this on a 5-minute. Excuse me, guys. Take a look at this on a 1-hour time frame here. We pretty much in a range here between the previous daily candle high and previous daily candle low. Right, so with that being said, gold is still bullish. Alright, previously price was creating higher highs and higher lows. Right, structure is bullish. right? Now, going back to the lower time frame here, we can clearly see that pretty much since Asia session, we've been creating lower highs and lower lows. So in this range, we only have a break of structure, right, to the downside. Okay, in this range, we do not have a break of structure to the upside. So with that being said, I am bearish. Okay, I am bearish until price creates a high, right? Just like how we rejected this demand here, which I was expecting this to do, right? And we eventually break that high. Then I wait for price to pull back to a demand, and then that's when I'm going to take buys. And for sales, I'm still bearish until that happens. So for sales, I need to see price get back to this supply for me to look to take sales. All right, so I am bearish right now. If this 30-minute supply can, this new 30-minute candle, if we close below this low here, I'll be willing to look for sales at this new 30-minute supply right here. Alright, I'll be looking to look for sales from there, but for now, I need to see how this 30-minute candle is gonna close. What's good, everybody? I missed out on these sales yesterday. I was waiting for the sales too, but I forgot to set my alert because I wasn't staring at my computer. I forgot to set my alert. By the time I remembered, it was too late. So I'm pretty much waiting to see how this new 30-minute candle is going to close here. I'm good. How about you? How you doing? Oh, Janice, how you doing? How you been? We got this 30-minute closing in 5 minutes, and NYC will be opening as well. If price can come down lower here. I feel like gold is teasing buyers at this low. But we'll see what happens. If this previous daily candle is going to low is going to hold. What's good, kid? A bitch? How you doing? How you been, my guy? So what I'm waiting for right now, it's the 30-minute to candle to close. The reason is because looking at all the higher time frames, I do not see a clean supply, like that clean aggressive move to the downside, right? Except on the 30-minute time frame. So I just need to see a closure above this minor low here on the 30 minutes. See, we got less than a minute here. Okay, that's a big bottom wick right there. So I'm still going to use this 30-minute supply here. The body closed. The body closed below.
I'm putting on my team. Money come flow, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheet. I get to it up in my seat. Shorts had chain when the money came. Money bang him, get money back. Need the money counter for the money, eh? No, I need you, so don't you run away. Mathematics act like a nerd. I be counting 30 by the third.
I just don't like the closures. I don't like the closures, so I'm gonna keep that 5 minutes up high up there. Same 5 minutes up high. If we break this high, right? If we pretty much break and close above 4690.1, I'm gonna look for buys back to the top of the range. See if we're gonna get back to that 5 minute supply. Thank you, Kid a bit.
Never lie through my teeth. Why? What you get is what you see. Why? New fit, that's neat. Yeah. For the green like a leaf. For the green like a reef. Don't trip, don't reach. Get rich, don't speak. Yeah. Love when the celly go ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheet. I get to it up in my seat.
Yes, I'm back. I stream pre-London some days during the week and New York some days during the week as well.
Time never stops, no the timing is not. Time to clean up the block. Streets been a mess, how can I breathe? Smoke in the air, pure gasoline. I see the news, see what you read. Change gotta come, put that on me and watch me educate. Yeah, we been could've started, but it's never late.
Thank you, Diego.
Kids, yeah, let's set it straight.
Oh, I don't know where he is.
It's time to regulate. We need change now. We need solo, we need Evie in the game now. Make it change.
Yeah, I don't know where they are, Diego.
Make it change cause we had no time for playing around. Let's quit the playing around. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build.
Rodrigo? I don't know if Rodrigo is here.
Sweep up the scene. We going green. Work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build. Clean and we need. Stuff on the flow. Sweep up the scene. We going green. We going green. New car goes zoom, but it's quiet. You can hear me come and think I'm lying. If I said I'm perfect, I'd be lying.
Oh, that's you? Oh, Diego is your nickname? Oh, I didn't know.
I'm the new Captain Planet. Here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. I'm the new Captain Planet. Here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean and we need. Stuff on the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean and we need. Stuff on the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, we going green.
We need good volume this session.
to you. Only wake up if I'm next to you. You extra too. I still slide with some extra too. X and O's, trying to stay on my P's and Q's. Need my boo. When I get lost, you gon' see me through. Pedestal, I put you on a pedestal. Edible, I need you like my vegetables. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. Next to you, only wake up if I'm next to you. Sexy too, make me wanna get sexual. My bestie too, that my bestie boo. Test me too, but I love when you test me too. Tough on the back, most not good to go. Oh for sure, you my number one, then my number one. You the go, love it when I'm here, but miss you on the road. Oh you know, my pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away.
Mhm.
They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend. They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8. I just pull it out and count for nothing when I'm feeling great. Give my baby little more, just to spend it.
Oh guys, my new Discord is in the description, for those of you that are interested. And if you know you're not going to engage, there's no need joining that Discord, guys. No volume right now, no volume. So there's nothing to do right now other than just wait and let price either get to that supply or we break this high that created this low. So we'll see what happens. Our price does this and break. Our price does this, reject, we come back down, we reject again, and then we break. If we break aggressively, I'm going to look for buys. Even before we break this. If I'm gonna take a buy pretty much from this daily previous daily candle or rejection, I'm gonna need a market structure shift setup here. Because as of right now, we are not breaking highs. This move could still be a pullback for a sell continuation right now, even though we rejected this previous daily candle low. Oh, that pre-London buys we took on Tuesday morning. Yeah, that we finally gave 1-1, but didn't get 1-2 on that one. I am expecting gold to go up from this low though, but because we don't have good closures below 46.68.9, which is a minor low in this big range. And on top of that, the way we closed below this previous daily candle low, even on the 5-minute. So we'll see what happens. Can we take out the sellers up here though? That's the question. Oh, and another thing you guys need to remember is that this is still a lower low that was created here. Still a lower low. But I'm not interested in selling if it does not at least get back up here to this 5-minute supply, because that is the top of the range that failed to break a low. So let's see what the sellers are going to do at the top of this 5-minute range. Remember yesterday we had a in London, right? We had a previous daily candle low when we traded pre-London, and we had a rejection here, right? Price started to push up. All right, but still we came back down to retest it again. We tried to push up, and then price came back down just to, drop some more and reject a higher time frame demand here, and then that's when the move started. And then that's when the move started. We could see something like that today as well. What's going on YouTube? You guys are quiet today.
I'm on top. See the guap, get the guap, that's a lot. Hit the gas, need no brakes, I don't stop. Yeah. Oh my God. At the top, see the top, I'm on top. See the guap, get the guap, that's a lot. Hit the gas, need no brakes, I don't stop. Yeah. Oh my God. At the top, see the top, I'm on top. See the guap, get the guap, that's a lot. Hit the gas, need no brakes, I don't stop. Yeah. Oh my God. With the squad, see the squad, we outside. Coming from the soil like a rock. Coming from the soil to the top. Just got off the phone with my mama, yeah, she proud of me. This one for the ones who lost a vision, yeah, they died of me. This one for the ones who got on late, they been proud of me. But it's still the same ones in the frame, nothing changed. Yeah. At the top, see the top, I'm on top. See the guap, get the guap, that's a lot. Hit the gas, need no brakes, I don't stop. Yeah. Oh my God. At the top, see the top, I'm on top. See the guap, get the guap, that's a lot. Hit the gas, need no brakes, I don't stop. Yeah. I'm right by Tessie for my bestie. Only if she ride it like a 10-speed. I might run the score up if you let me. First time in Miami, rode them jet skis. Now I stay on go, used to stay on road. COVID kept me on, but them bags on hold. It keeps coming in, spend it on my kids, spend it on my boo. You know I'm a trend. At the top, see the top, I'm on top. See the guap, get the guap, that's a lot. Hit the gas, need no brakes, I don't stop. Yeah. Oh my God. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash digital, digital, digital. The dash digital, go, go, go. Digital, 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 digital. The cash digital, digital. The dash digital, run it up. Digital, 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 digital. Stepping like Marty McFly, stepping I feel like the guy. I got them looking like why, I never doubted me why. I never doubted my guys, you know you in it for win. I stand on 10, you on 10. I don't have friends of a friend, only the fan of the kin. Only my wife and my kids, that's all I needed to win. Now I only trust my true friends. Had to cut off my
And
loose
play
ends.
something
You know I win
else
if you
here.
win. You know you win if I win. I swipe that cash, don't fold. I swipe my bank on gold. Don't think that I've been dumb. I spend like I've been broke. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash digital, digital, digital. The dash digital, go, go, go. Digital, 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 digital. The cash digital, digital. The dash digital, run it up. Digital, 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 digital. Living my truth, no tricks. I'm trying to feed my kids. I'm trying to keep my wife. I'm trying to live my life while we get rich. Mind my biz. Money gon' come, some go. Man, if you know, you know. I've been through highs and lows. Here for the ride, I go. Slide and roll. Up and down, but I get up. The numbers crunching, no sit-ups. I grew up and got dripped up. Purple label, my get up. That's 101, not a one and done. Month to month, and there's more to come. I told Cushy, let's run it up. Now it's millions on millions. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash digital, digital, digital. The dash digital, go, go, go. Digital, 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 digital. The cash digital, digital. The dash digital.
Yo, Crafted, how you doing?
It's so hard to believe it. It's so hard to see. If you take it for granted, it might leave quietly. Though it's hard to be near you.
Yes, Crafted, I'm waiting for that supply zone.
To be taken by your gravity.
If this move doesn't close strongly above 46.90, I really don't want to look to buy gold.
And be crushed by your hand. Though it's hard to be near you. You're all that I want.
If price was creating high highs and higher lows, then that would be a different story. But we're not. I haven't felt the sun or the blowing of the wind. Don't know where it goes. Haven't heard where she's been. To be happy, stay strong. To feel love, to be known.
without skipping a page. I don't take the time, I don't know how to wait to be happy, to stay strong, to feel love, to be known. I haven't felt the stars, I haven't seen the moon. I wrote them all in song so I could sing for you to be.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Remember kissing me goodbye. Remember when we say goodnight. I doubt if I've been on your mind, baby. Getting bitter, I can't lie. 'Cause the smile that I used to know, I can't seem to find it anymore. Love, dancing in a lonely place, looking for you through the rain. And I know it doesn't feel like we played. Girl, it's not over. No, it's not over. No, I've been working hard to try and understand, but we're missing each other. Missing each other.
Vaccine.
I haven't felt the sun or the blowing of the wind. Don't know where it goes. Haven't heard where she's been to be happy. Stay strong. To feel love. To be known. I haven't read a book without skipping a page. I don't take the time, I don't know how to wait to be happy, to stay strong.
Order working.
I'm gonna have sell stop as of right now, just below that bearish candle, below this previous candle low right there.
I haven't felt the stars, I haven't seen the moon. I wrote them all in song so I could sing for you to be happy, to stay strong, to feel love, to be known, to be happy, to stay strong, to feel love, to be known.
150 ticks is gonna be my my stop.
Stop filled.
All right, we've been activated here. Did we get activated at 0.7? Yes. Uh, wait, who's this? Wherever they are, I wish them success. Oh. But I must still block your ass though. Um, Where do I see the price of gold going in the coming days, up or down? I don't know. I can only predict.
When we first met, you were running away. Said it was too hard to live in this way. Wearing a gray suit and walking the same
This music is too boy. Okay, let me do the other one. Sentimental.
It's so hard to believe it.
This is the
It's so
hip hop.
hard to see. If you
And
take it for granted, it might leave quietly. Though it's hard to be near you, you're all that I want. To be taken by your gravity. Back in the day, I would've made mistakes. I would've chased for you. I couldn't wait. Yeah. I would've caved in. I would've made it for you. Now I know. Yeah. You're not the one for me. So it's sad to see. Too much Hennessy for you. Now you wanna speak. Why you asking me? Why I wanna leave? Yeah, and why I can read through all that bullshit that you're talking about. Baby, I got abandonment issues I don't really feel like talking about. Baby, there's so much trauma around your love I don't feel like being around. Baby, I can see it clearly now. Baby, I can see it clearly now. How deep's your love? How deep's your trust? How deep? How deep's your love? How deep's your trust? Yeah, you don't got what it takes. You just entertain. You never had shame, baby. It's not what you claim. It pours when it rains. Why you act like a saint? Why you acting all the same as everybody?
oh, this is the 50% mark here.
What they talking about? I don't care about material things. My goal is what I was worried about. You everything I was worried about. You everything I was worried about. Goddamn. Yeah. You're not the one for me. So it's sad to see. Too much Hennessy for you. Now you wanna speak. Why you asking me? Why I wanna leave? Yeah, and why I can read through all that bullshit that you're talking about. Baby, I got abandonment issues I don't really feel like talking about. Baby, there's so much trauma around your love I don't feel like being around. Baby, I can see it clearly now. Baby, I can see it clearly now. How deep's your love? How deep's your trust? How deep? How deep's your love? How deep's your trust? Back in the day, I would've made mistakes. I would've chased for you. I couldn't wait. Yeah. I would've caved in. I would've made it for you.
I do not like the fact that we rejected up there,
So sad to see.
but yet we're not falling.
Now you wanna speak. Why you
But
asking me?
we'll see what happens.
Yeah, and why I can read through all that you're talking about. Baby, I got abandonment issues I don't really feel like talking about. Baby, there's so much trauma.
I just need this to start falling now.
Maybe I can see it clearly now. Maybe I can see it clearly now. How deep's your love? How deep's your trust? How deep's your love? How deep's your trust? Yeah, you don't got what it takes.
Are we in a trade? Yes, we took sales.
Baby, it's not what you claim. It pours when it rains.
I mean, you should be able to see it on the screen.
Same as everybody that just be running their mouth. I don't care about no gossip, you only care about what they talking about. I don't care about material things, my goal is what I was worried about. You everything I was worried about. You everything I was worried about. Goddamn. Yeah, you're not the one for me. So sad to see. Too much Hennessy for you. Now you wanna speak. Why you asking me? Why I wanna leave? Yeah, and why I could read through all that you're talking about. Baby, I got abandonment issues I don't really feel like talking about. Baby, there's so much trauma around your love I don't feel like being around. Baby, I can see it clearly now. Baby, I can see it clearly now. How deep's your love? How deep's your trust? How deep? How deep's your love? How deep's your trust? Guess like Margiela. Yeah. I ride with the mob just like a good fella. Yeah. God protect me, I was born a sinner. Yeah. I could lose it all, but I was born a winner. Yeah, back with the mob. I've been gassing and ducking the law. And I never wanna sit with y'all. I'd rather get it with me and my dogs. And I know that they want us to fall, but they don't even know us at all. I don't want no fake love, cause you know I can't trust at all. I'm tryna do better. Yeah. I watch for the people with the vendettas. Yeah. I listen to mama, she say never settle. Yeah. I wanna see time through a whole new bezel. The mob life. It's the mob life. And mob ties with the mob life. Suited and we booted. Suited and we booted like it's televised. Suited and we booted. Suited and we booted like it's televised. You wanna see us?
Nice trade. You already closed in profits? Oh, okay.
When you've been through it, you gotta stand firm. Yeah. Protect your name and just keep your word. Back with them all. I've been gassing and ducking the law. And I never wanna sit with y'all. I'd rather get it with me and my dogs. And I know that they want us to fall, but they don't even know us at all. I don't want no fake love, cause you know I can't trust at all. Baby, I'm a trendsetter. I'm tryna take this to a whole nother level. Know me, I've been flocking with the fellas. I wanna see time through a whole new bezel. The mob life. It's the mob life. And mob ties with the mob life. Suited and we booted. Suited and we booted like it's televised. Suited and we booted. Suited and we booted like it's televised.
Alley-oop, late night sliding in the coupe. Shooter shoot, so I'ma shoot. I keep quiet on my mute. Gas it up, don't use the brakes. Plays in motion, up the stakes. Hit P. Lugers for the stake. Know my worth, I set the rate. Song for song, who wants to race? Got it jumping out the gates. You're my junior, know your place. Please stop lying in my face. Please stop lying in my face. Please stop lying in my face. mouth to feed. Thought it was you versus me. Whole time was me versus me. Ain't that a shame? I wasted time and change. Got out from around my way, got out my way. Okay, like yeah, okay, cool, okay, yeah. I am not a fool. Can't play those games now, pick and choose. I got no time to lose. I'm from NY, I hate the cold, that's why I say summer rules. Straight backyard pools, I see a dive board, I hit backflips too. Alley-oop, late night slide in the cool. Shoot or shoot, so I'ma shoot. I keep quiet on my mute. Gas it up, don't use the brakes. Plays in motion, up the stakes. Hit P-Lugers for the stake. Know my worth, I set the rate. Song for song, who wants to race? Got it jumping out the gates. You're my junior, know your place. Please stop lying in my face. 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 I stay quiet in the tub. Checks on checks, can't get enough. Blessed, so blessed, it got me stuck. I thank God when I'm awake. I thank God when I go to sleep. I thank God when thanking God. Since day one, he got me safe. I got me, don't need a team. I'm all set, don't need a scene. I got pinks and blues and greens. Got good credit, but cash is king. Ben had wife, he got the ring. Ben had kids, I'm an OG. Still on game, still UNC. Yeah. Alley-oop, late night slide in the cool. Shoot or shoot, so I'ma shoot. I keep quiet on my mute. Gas it up, don't use the brakes. Plays in motion, up the stakes. Hit P-Lugers for the stake. Know my worth, I set the rate. Song for song, who wants stories? Got it jumping out the gates. You're my junior, know your place. Please stop lying in my face. Please stop lying in my face.
Mind.
Please stop lying in my face. Please stop lying in my face. Please stop lying in my face. Yeah.
I wouldn't believe if she opened up my heart to me. I still need to grow. Ain't no time for speaking. I'm on the upper side of what I needed before. So I'm ready to let go. I never knew I needed more. Don't wanna keep it on the low. Now it's time for me to value the things I never saw. Even though the lights are bright, I'm on my knees. As I wait for her to rescue me. I speak as though I try, but I can't even breathe. No. Absolution is the key.
Like, what's the key? You and me, moving free, we're meant to be. I love it when you're coming with that energy. You're stressing me to think about a world without my baby G. You're in my dreams, I'm listening to what my heart is telling me. Be, if I stay, I'll never leave. When you say my name, baby, it's remedy. Testing me, never clean beat. You're a drug to me, never sober, preciosa. Feeling like you're all I need, you're all I bleed.
Watch me fall to pieces, and I don't know why. Watch me fall to pieces. Now I won't go outside.
Yeah, wish I loved myself the way I love you, B. I'm doing me. I can't be moving like a fiend, I'm moving free until I reach and get to where I wanna be.
I'll be right back, guys.
Like, you wanna cuddle, but I struggle mentally. C'est la vie, you need to listen when my friends are telling me. I wanna save and play it like an MP3. I guess the best is that you'll just remember me. Let it be like, all time I've done mine. Sex and cigarettes to unwind. Yeah, I think about you in the sunshine, but I'm only on your mind like sometimes. Like, it's only us I want the best for. Sometimes wishing that you're next door. Feeling too good when you're in my best doors. Now I can figure out my head so like,
Even though the lights are bright, I'm on my knees. As I wait for her to rescue me. I speak as though I try, but I can't even breathe. No. Absolution is the key.
trading places. Angels with some dirty faces. Lonely day sit, lying ancient on my J's lip. Taste be tainted, poison water in the basin. If you relate, then please don't wait before you're locked and caged in. I need some space like 100 acres on my gravesite. Lost the daylight, surf the heavens, rip the wave rap. Peep the uprise, I'm holding hearts with my words of cut ties. Extinguish Lama's trying to drive my down man. Stand by just watching the world unfold in campfires. In calmest forest, throwing deadly hand signs. It's like the lamp glow, illuminate darkest corner shadows. Countless blessings got me stepping clouds that travel back home. Goes around, gonna come back around.
Would you learn to read the seasons like a farmer? Caught me dreaming with my tribe is my charger. Nip that in the bar, job is done like a starter. Yeah, bring the mains out. Oh, I like Carter. Rolled one in the car park where we parked up. Leaving traces of myself like permanent marker. Have a little vibe with the strangers that we meet, but I've never been a lady like Gaga. Some of them don't start up, some of them are faster. They're not really in the moment, they just want the last laugh. Farmer is a hard task, dragging all the past up. Trying to live it, yeah, with my homies, make it faster. I just want the moments, live it like it's golden. Bars are like aerobics, reality we mold it. Rich without a Rolex, the love I feel is so dense. Circle illuminated, music is my protest. Yeah, I don't wanna carry no more signs, yeah. I don't wanna hear no more lines, yeah. I just wanna take my karma, dip it in the ice, freeze it forever, focus on the good vibes. Goes around, gonna come back around. 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 I get sick of all the drama, thinking of my karma. Certain days so past like boats on the harbour. Nothing really happens but you're charged up, yeah. Locked in every day. I get sick of all the drama, thinking of my karma. Certain days so past like boats on the harbour. Nothing really happens but you're charged up, yeah. Cause we're locked in every day.
Yeah. Hey. Okay, I'll worry about tomorrow, another day. Don't think about your problems, they go away. My bag's in the stowaway. Business class, window seat, I look as we float away. Wrote a verse was a throwaway. Play that shit for a label and they was blown away. I guess these growing pains got me in these golden chains. Cause I'm a pro, I've been a protege. Give me life, give me light, I'll risk it all to keep the dark at bay. Cause I've had too many heartbreaks and restarts and big dreams that fell through. A future with somebody I would give my last to. And they ain't go the way I planned to. But it made me a man and I understand. Yeah, felt some lows I hope I never feel again. Lost some souls I love but still feel they live. Cause dreaming makes you real again. So I just close my eyes and let it reel me in. Let it reel me in. I just close my eyes and let it reel me in. Yeah. Sometimes you gotta feel what you don't wanna feel, just to know it's the real. And what you try to conceal, the truth always comes to light. There's no running from that, it's all gonna reveal. Sometimes the wound gotta bleed for it heals. I got some tombs I don't visit cause it gives me the chills. Was in the cut, down bad, try and get me a deal. Same people there with me, they rewarded the seeds, but now they six in the field. I be questioning, is it even real? Fast life, try and be even kill. You ain't have to hunt for what you eat if you even killed. Alright, I got it now, give me the will. Let me show them how to do it when you free and got no reason to chill. Got every reason to stop, but I need to fulfill what I set to do when I was spitting freeze in the mill. We overseas now, kill it, get the cheese in the mail. Broke the locks, I got the keys to the jail. Try freeing the real. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Okay, I'll worry about tomorrow, another day. Don't think about your problems, they go away. My bag's in the stowaway. Business class, window seat, I look as we float away. Wrote a verse was a throwaway. Play that shit for a label and they was blown away. I guess these growing pains got me in these golden chains. Cause I'm a pro, I've been a protege. Give me life,
light, I risk it all to keep the dark at bay. Cause I've had too many heartbreaks and restarts and big dreams that fell through. A future with somebody I would give my last to. And it ain't go the way I planned to. But it made me a man and I understand. Yeah, felt some lows I hope I never feel again. Lost some souls I love but still feel they live. Cause dreaming makes you real again. So I just close my eyes and let it reel me in. Let it reel me in. I just close my eyes and let it reel me in. Yeah. Sometimes you gotta feel what you don't wanna feel, just to know it's the real. And what you try to conceal, the truth always comes to light. There's no running from that, it's all gonna reveal. Sometimes the wound gotta bleed for it heals. I got some tombs I don't visit cause it gives me the chills. Was in the cut down bad, try and get me a deal. Same people there with me, they rewarded the seeds, but now they six in the field. I be questioning, is it even real? Fast life, try and be even killed. You ain't have to hunt for what you eat if you even killed. Alright, I got it now, give me the will. Let me show them how to do it when you free and got no reason to chill. Got every reason to stop, but I need to fulfill what I said to do when I was speaking.
Hey Sammy, how you doing?
Now, kill it, get the cheese in the mail. Broke the locks, I got the keys to the jail. Try freeing the real. Yeah.
Hey Joey, how you doing? You secured, where do you go? Okay.
From dusk till dawn, I turn my speakers on. Why they wanna play with the king? I told them meet LeBron. There's darkness in my city, wrong moves, and you won't see the sun. They be talking loud, but never been where the creatures hunt. And bleed for this dream, so why your eyes closed? Been running through the pain. Look at me, and now my strides go. Every single scar on my skin, another mind. Dog came out shining with the lights on.
Alright, that's 50% for those of you that trade futures. If you want to manage your trade like that, you can. You can secure your profit now. But for me, the way I trade is 1-to-1, at least for me. Before I take partials and move stops to break even. That's my rule. That's my trading plan. It doesn't have to be yours. Alright? So, holding for at least 1-to-1 doesn't have to be yours if you don't have the psychological ability to do that. If what I'm saying makes sense. In fact, you can close or you can even close out the trade if you want.
I told y'all, I'm done playing, I'm going animal. Doing damage, get in my way, you'll be collateral. Blood in every bar, just let the ink fill up the catacombs. Pray for the prey, cause every day is a sabbatical.
No, you're not an amateur. It's not easy to stay at the charts and hold your trade for at least 1-to-1. It's not an easy thing to do psychologically.
Stopping for nothing, if not I'll save it and go on my own. Stopping discussions and popping them out and see all of this running will damage your down. Some of them rocking won't stopping from suffering, not stopping to ask why they back to the bone. Suddenly stubborn, they huffing and puffing and waiting for signs to come back to the home. Building my prophecy, steady shielding democracy.
You said trading and smoking. Yeah, I was smoking earlier.
There's wealth, there'll be poverty, burning hell to the monastery, yeah. Never speak to my misogyny, synesthesia, mahogany, yeah. Matter of time, birds won't sing if you scatter those lies. Burnt no bridges, I damaged those ties. Learned something from the man I hold tight. Earned my ting, I've been at it all night. I speak on the matter, no deep in it, cause I'm deep in the rhythm, alright.
I would prefer to see this, to see gold just come straight down. But if we're going to push up, yeah, it's going to create a low, and that low would break this high. I'm not trying to scare you guys, because even if it creates a low, let's say we do create a low here, it does not necessarily mean that this low would end up breaking this high. It's just a possibility that it might happen, even though I'm not expecting that to happen. And if we do create a low here and price to decide to push up, we could still just go back up to reject the same supply again, which I don't see why that's going to happen before we continue to the downside here. But because of how we closed right below the previous daily candle low, if we create a support and we start to push up, we might break that high. But either way, I'm still going to hold this trade and trust my analysis. So we'll see what happens. My analysis is that gold should actually trade lower. So we'll see. We'll see. What strain? This is actually cookies and cream, and it's hybrid. It's hybrid, but with a sativa dominant. I tried to. Make sure you're liking the stream, guys. I appreciate you. How many times did they cry for this help? Hear the sirens and hell got me biting my nails. Yeah, they like me to fail, but I'm riding the waves and not fighting myself. Super Silver Haze. Is that a strain? I've never heard of that one if it is a strain. Gray skies, but I couldn't tell. No. Same guys will be shining in hell. Yeah. So let me get it out this way. Pain's like a stab from 1,000 blades. Lost track of self and I lost track of time. Oh, it's popular here in Norway. Okay. I've never heard of that strain. Ever faithful, always feeling hella grateful. Till I sell another 8 ball. Spend the limit on the table. Double digit unenable. Sit, when will this end? Can't pretend I'm them. Got my head in this stable. All my weaponry fatal. Yeah, all this weaponry fatal. Hopping to London, not stopping for nothing. If not, I say fuck it and go on my own. Stop the discussions and popping the button. See all of this running will damage you down. Some of them rocking won't stop from suffering. Not stopping to ask why they back to the bone. Suddenly stubborn, they huffing and puffing and waiting for signs to come back to the home. Hopping to London, not stopping for nothing. If not, I say fuck it and go on my own. Stop the discussions and popping the button. See all of this running will damage you down.
Some of them rocking one sopping from suffering or sopping to us where they bound to the bone. Suddenly stubborn, they huffing and puffing and waiting for signs to come back to the hole.
Look at me ballin', look at me ballin'. I shoot my shot and it go when you know it's flawless. Look at me ballin', look at me ballin'. I gave my number to the bag and now it's callin'. Look at me ballin', look at me ballin'. I shoot my shot and it go when you know it's flawless. Look at me ballin', look at me ballin'. I gave my number to the bag and now it's callin'.
Ballin' on the court, tell him swish. Back to back, making plays, throwing fists. She an angel on the court, got him sick. Alley oop on the track, got him asking who is this? Running back, I can't play, I call it quits. Woodrow Wilson on the bill, got that money, he gon' trick. Bad boy, got act hard, running laps, got him quick. You know I need that money, I'm just tryna go legit. I'm just tryna go legit. I'm just tryna go legit. Bad boy, got act hard. I'm just tryna go legit. Back to back, making plays, throwing fits.
Look at me ballin'.
Did I stop trading? I stopped for a few months.
Look at me ballin', look at me ballin'. I gave my number to the bag and now it's callin'. And it really ain't no pressure, I can do my thing forever. Say they good, but I be better, and that's game. I be switching like whenever y'all just texting, I'm the header. I get bread like a cheddar, ain't a thing. Tryna get my range up, not be famous. From the hood, so can you blame us? I need my change up, I've been running out of favors. I can't save them, hit my line and I might hang up. I can't save her, where you at with it? Can't be average, in my bag with it. Can you handle it? They be trying to stop my moves, but I'm too slippery. I look up and I look down and I see only me. Look at me ballin', look at me ballin'. I shoot my shot and it go when you know it's flawless. Look at me ballin', look at me ballin'. I gave my number to the bag and now it's callin'. Look at me ballin', look at me ballin'. I shoot my shot and it go when you know it's flawless. Look at me ballin', look at me ballin'. I gave my number to the bag and now it's callin'.
We're back to entry.
Look at me ballin', look at me ballin'. I shoot my shot and it go when you know it's flawless. Look at me ballin', look at me ballin'. I gave my number to the bag and now it's callin'. Look at me ballin', look at me ballin'. I shoot my shot and it go when you know it's flawless. Look at me ballin', look at me ballin'. I gave my number to the bag and now it's callin'.
Ballin' on the court, tell him swish. Back to back, making plays, throwing fists. She an angel on the court, got him sick. Alley oop on the track, got him asking who is this? Nigga running back, I can't play, I call it quits. Woodrow Wilson on the bill, got that money, he gon' trick. Bad boy, got act hard, running laps, got him quick. You know I need that money, I'm just tryna go legit. I'm just tryna go legit. I'm just tryna go legit. Bad boy, got act hard. I'm just tryna go legit. Back to back, making plays, throwing fits.
Look at me ballin', look at me ballin'. I shoot my shot and it go when you know it's flawless. Look at me ballin', look at me ballin'. I gave my number to the bag and now it's callin'. And it really ain't no pressure, I can do my thing forever. Say they good, but I be better, and that's game. I be switching like whenever y'all just texting, I'm the header. I get bread like a cheddar, ain't a thing. Tryna get my range up, not be famous. From the hood, so can you blame us? I need my change up, I've been running out of favors. I can't save them, hit my line and I might hang up. I can't save her, where you at with it? Can't be
average. In my bag with it. Can you handle it? They be trying to stop my moves, but I'm too slippery. I look up and I look down and I see only me. Look at me ballin'. Look at me ballin'. I shoot my shot and it go in, you know it's flawless. Look at me ballin'. Look at me ballin'. I gave my number to the bag and now it's calling. Look at me ballin'. Look at me
I should go be, even if I wanted to, it's too late now. And that's not how I trade. I need at least a 1-to-1 before I go B. So it's either I get 1-to-1 or I don't, which is okay. So what I would suggest you do is, just because you don't have the mental ability to hold your trades for 1-to-1, don't go knocking someone who does.
Step into the galaxy 169. Surfing the wave caught by the bright light. Walking the stars out in the night sky. I can see the light in the dark. Step into the night with the 1-6. But we got to disappear when the dawn hits. Another shadow in the mist in the morning. I was in the wave when the light shines bright. Step into the galaxy 169. Deadness in space in the black mist. Got me stuck up on the board like a magnet. I'm swerving on the wave with a mad sit. Blast rhythm get placed when I'm passing. Casting the dark clouds everlasting. In the black vein, I was in the garden. Couple Dennis in my vision, real sardine. Surfing the bright light everlasting. Cat deaded with the sea back. Hear me clear, no feedback. Out in the galaxy, I'll be back. I kill him with the front lean back. My daddy in the start swerving. I'm ready for the jump burning. See me kicking the funk, I'm on the wave with the 1-6. Ready to dump you, now slay like. Step into the galaxy 169. Surfing the wave caught by the bright light. Walking the stars out in the night sky. I can see the light in the dark. Step into the night with the 1-6. No, we got to disappear when the dawn hits. Another shadow in the mist in the morning. I was on the wave when the light shines bright. Step into the galaxy 169. Only yesterday, on the rays of the sun when you step away. Got me walking around the town in a dream, you see. Wasn't enough to realize what you mean to me. Yeah, it was only yesterday. You was calling my phone trying to step away. Got me thinking about the times way back in the daylight. Standing by the train station in the sunshine. Well, look, now it's hard to say. Trying to work out, do I stay, do I walk away? Feelings changed, I feel the same. Trying to explain, no, it's hard to say. Look, it was hard to see. Trying to escape the drama, it's hard to breathe. Stepping outside, yo, it's hard to leave. I don't wanna see you go, I'm trying hard to keep. Whoa.
See me
pass by, what? Still see the look up in your eye, what? Say you wanna try, what? I'll be looking for you in the night, what? When the lights get low, feel you don't wanna be alone, say you're coming home, I'll be looking for you in the hard to say, tryna work out, do I stay, do I walk away? Feelings change, do I feel the same? Tryna explain, know what's hard to say, you know it's hard to see. Tryna escape the drama, it's hard to breathe. Stepping outside, you it's hard to leave. I don't wanna see you go, I'm trying not to keep you. What? Yo, it's up and down sometimes. I don't know, it's like a battle. Like I'm here and I'm always gonna be there for you. Can you see me falling? Can you see me falling? Can you see me fading? Can you see me fading?
Yeah. Words like rifle get shady on the mic, yeah. Pure like idol, get wavy if I like, yeah. Visionary eyes, yo, I see behind the hype, yeah. Heavy is the crown and the energy is light. Lifted, drifted, all throughout the night. Get the pen and paper right, keep talking to my guys. You're unleashing all the dragons, yeah, you know I might. Stay behind the yellow line, I stay behind the mic, yeah. Underground is murky, you win some, you lose some. Rap we do is quirky, they use some, they move some. Fight or flight, either way we get gruesome. Mum needed some, he said they're fit and be gruesome. I beg your pardon, that's veggies in the garden. You hurt my feelings and I watch my skin harden. Now we're at the crossroads, don't know what you started. So many live a life all broken hearted, yeah. Fight or flight, is it now, is it fight or flight? No freezing, fight or flight, is it now, is it never, is it fight or flight? Yeah, fight or flight, is it now, is it fight or flight? No freezing, fight or flight, is it now, is it never, is it fight or flight? Of course there's pain in my heart, yeah, it travels like a dart and we do it for the art. Took the road less traveled, I keep carving my path, yeah. Bars get cold, you might wanna grab a scarf. I stopped running for myself, I started asking all the right questions, right people, right time grafting. Energy I feel was everlasting. Moments appearing and they're passing. Fight or flight, is it now, is it fight or flight? No freezing, fight or flight, is it now, is it never, is it fight or flight? Yeah, fight or flight, is it now, is it fight or flight? No freezing, fight or flight, is it now, is it never, is it fight or flight? How much more can you escape? You keep running from yourself, you're just running from your fate. Looking for a hero with an animated cape, and you do it for yourself or you do it for the sake of it. You're just trying to reach the gate, this is London town. We keep it modern like the Tate, I'll just double down. Keep it moving at this rate, you're just trying to have a slice. They keep cutting off your cake and trying to make it bigger, yo, every time you bake. You come to realize material is fake, yeah. I will let them take this energy away, yeah. I won't let them take my energy away, yeah. Fight or flight, is it now, is it fight or flight? No freezing, fight or flight, is it now, is it never, is it fight or flight? Yeah, fight or flight, is it now, is it fight or flight? No freezing, fight or flight, is it now, is it never, is it fight or flight? Is it now, is it never, is it fight or flight, yeah.
Order filled.
There we go, guys. That's 1-1. Those of you that held with me, congratulations. Let's see some W's in the chat. Those of you that held.
8-hour flight, we just landed in Sorrento. Came a long way from
And don't forget to like the stream, guys. Now I'm gonna move my stop loss here.
She got wet right off the intro. Wait until she hear the end goals. But for now, just put
Just move it below, just one tick below entry.
We don't got no itinerary, just go wherever the jet go. Gaping in a chokehold, cause coming up, I was always cutthroat. Give my respect with the utmost and save your little dumb jokes. Live this life by a code and we die for what we love most. Every verse I let the blood soak. Every verse I let the blood soak. Yeah. Hey, yeah, 2 words locked in.
Now we are risk free.
When I pop shit, your style try to jock his. 2 birds, 1 nick. My team come with these twats try to box with the don of this hot shit. Regardless, tell me what's a goon to a goblin. Say they in the field, I run this shit like Dave Goggins. Stop it, when my bitch a little too obnoxious, I press up on the nitrous and out like a light switch type shit. Not the one you wanna fight with, the guy you take flights with and calm in a crisis. Sharp blade, heads is chopped and place him on a pike tip to let the motherfuckers plot and see what they gon' die with. These deep waters drown you once you dive in. Not me, I move like I'm a hybrid. I could do it all if I apply it. If I bulked up.
Now let's see if we're going to get a full TP here.
Maybe that's a stretch, but I learned to be a vet. With my back against the fence, I defeated all the odds. Y'all let the sun stroke these shots, leaving gun smoke, yeah. Cause every verse I let the blood soak. Hey, yeah. Every verse I let the blood soak. Yeah. Hey, 8-hour flight, we just landed in Sorrento. Came a long way from smoking Nicks and rockin' Echo. Sprinted to the helicopter room, make sure it's penthouse. 30 floors up, can see the world from out this window. Nikki threw the ball about 30 yards and never intos. Juke / tween, dropping buckets like a sicko. Hey, she got wet right off the intro. Wait until she hear the end goals. But for now, just put your hands on your ankles. Hold up, I'm in the south, getting high, smoking endo. Sipping Aperol and Prosecco. We don't got no itinerary, just go wherever the jet go. Gaping in a chokehold, cause coming up, I was always cutthroat. Give my respect with the utmost and save your little dumb jokes. Live this life by a code and we die for what we love most. Every verse I let the blood soak. Yeah. Every verse I let the blood soak. Yeah. Hey, yeah, 2 words locked in, high speed.
Once I end this stream, guys, I'm gonna be streaming pre-London today. Stream today, and of course Thursday going into Friday, because this is the last day I'm streaming New York for this week. So I'm not streaming New York until Monday for this. This week I'm not streaming New York until next week Monday.
Alright, maybe that's a stretch, but I learned to be a vet. With my back against the fence, I defeated all the odds. Y'all let the sun stroke these shots, leaving gun smoke, yeah. Cause every verse I let the blood soak. Hey, yeah. Every verse I let the blood soak.
Pre-London was trash yesterday. Today. He didn't give his setup. Because pre-London, I was expecting price to at least pull back to this 5-minute supply, or back to this 30-minute supply there. This move here, we didn't even get there. So I stayed away from this move because I didn't get the setup I was waiting for. This is dropping nice. Hopefully we continue so we can get a full TP. Oh, chat. Another thing you guys can do that if you want, you can trail your stop loss. You can trail your stop loss if you want, or you can do the exact same thing I'm doing. I'm just giving you guys some options, because some of you are probably like, well, if King is doing this, then that's exactly what I'm going to do. But remember, like I always say, you don't have to do exactly what I'm doing. And what I'm trying to say is that it's in regards to your trade management, right? How you manage your money, right? You don't have to do the exact same thing. But as far as the strategy goes, my entry, how I read the chart, or how I analyze the market, yeah, you can do the exact same thing that I'm doing. But when it comes to your trade management, that is you have to figure out that. You have to figure out who you are as a person when it comes to money. Right? When it comes to money, you got to figure out who you are as a person. So you're not out there in a trade and just stressing out. Right? So you might be the type of trader that you just get in and you get out. But if you're trading the negative risk to reward, you need to make sure that it actually makes sense. So by that, what I'm trying to say is, if you have a stop loss of 100, right? 100 ticks or 100 pips for those of you that trade futures, right? And you have 1-to-1, of course, at 100. Now,
Order filled.
Congratulations, everyone. We got our full TP smash. Beautiful. So, stop loss of 100, TP of 100. Now, once price gets to 50 ticks or 50 pips, you can move your stop loss to entry then and take partials. You can either move your stops or take partials, but I recommend you do both. The reason why you need to do that is because, number one, you are trading negative risk to reward ratio. And since you're doing that, you're going to need to win a whole lot more. You're going to need to have at least I have to do this calculation. I'm not sure, but I think as long as you have at least 65% win rate, you should good. But if you do anything less than that, let's say you have a stop loss of 100 ticks, full TP of 100 ticks, and price go to 20 ticks, and you're like, okay, I'm going to go break even here and take partials. Nah, you might as well freaking close out the trade completely, because it doesn't make sense. Because at that point you'll be looking at least 80 plus win rate. You'll be looking at least 80% plus win rate, and getting 80% plus win rate is not an easy thing to do. It is much more easier, right? Getting to waiting for price, especially when you trade gold, waiting for price to get the 20 ticks and you get out, but only if you know what you're doing. 80% win rate is not an easy thing to get to. If anyone is doing that consistently, they're doing good. But I respect traders that go for at least a 1-to-1 or more, and is still able to sustain 80% win rate. It's not an easy thing to do. I don't even care about win rate and all that stuff. I just, as long as I'm profitable, that's all I care about. If that makes sense. Register my. What are you trying to say, Santos? What are you trying to say? What link? Where's that guy that was talking trash earlier? Talking about while I'm by, he spoke to them 10 minutes ago. Anyways, I appreciate you all for joining. Those of you that trade London session or pre-London, if you still want to come hang out with me and trade with me, and you like my calmness, you like my vibe, you like my trading, you're welcome to come watch me again pre-London. I will be starting at 12:30 a.m. CST because I'm in Texas. All right, I will see you guys then. I appreciate you all. Yeah, bless y'all. See you guys then. I'm out. Peace. Once again, congratulations, everybody, on the win. See you guys then.